Welcome back. The Agra-based Heritage Institute of Hotel and Tourism, affiliated to the Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar, will open its first hotel management institute in Goa at Vasco. This will be the third in India, followed by the ones in Agra and Shimla.
We have a training placement office in Mumbai. Next 5 years, we are putting 14 different location hotel management institute. As a brand name is Heritage Institute of Hotel and Tourism.
Briefing media persons, Vice President Marketing, Mr. D.K. Singh, said that the institute aims to offer quality education in hotel management to the lower and lower middle class sections of Goan society, as the fees for the entire 3-year duration course would amount to less than rupees 2 lakh.
The concept is in Goa is that we are charging very less fees. We are charging only less than 2 lakhs for whole 3 years to promote lower middle class and middle class students. Again, we are giving a free laptop to every student. This is first time we are giving this in this sector to every student to match technology part also.
He also spoke about the fee rebate scheme on offer to Goan students enrolling for the course.
Goan student को 5% हम फीस में भी रिबेट कर रहे हैं, जो हम लोग फीस चार्ज कर रहे हैं, एंड गोअन्स को हम लोग 60 to 70% कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि गोअन्स एडमिशन कोटा हम लोग 60 to 70% दें.
Mr. Singh elaborated on the infrastructure available at their new institute in Vasco.
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो अभी तक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हम लोगों ने वहाँ है, वहाँ 1500 बच्चों की इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हम लोगों ने अभी स्टार्टिंग में ही लेके चल रहे हैं. 2000 स्क्वायर फीट का सबसे बड़ा वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट किचन हम लेके आ रहे हैं वहाँ. 2000 स्क्वायर मोर देन 2000 स्क्वायर फीट का एक रेस्टोरेंट लेके आ रहे हैं फॉर ट्रेनिंग ओनली, नॉट फॉर कमर्शियल यूज. किचन एंड रेस्टोरेंट बोथ. नो, 2000 किचन एंड 2000 रेस्टोरेंट. 7 बड़े क्लासरूम लेके आ रहे हैं. टोटल ऑडियो विजुअल, चूंकि हमारे जो कोर्सेज हैं 3 years बैचलर डिग्री, उनको हम लोगों ने उसको कन्वर्ट किया ऑडियो विजुअल में.
Artists are known to be possessive of their works of art. However, state-level art exhibitions held at Kala Academy over the last 4 to 5 years have revealed the apathetic attitude of some artists who have chosen to abandon their works of art after the completion of the exhibition period. A number of works of art of various artists lay abandoned and unclaimed at the Kala Academy. Despite repeated reminders to the artists by the officials of Kala Academy, the artists have not shown any interest in collecting their works of art. The Kala Academy has now hosted a unique exhibition showcasing all these unclaimed works of art. Speaking to Goa 365, Member Secretary of the Kala Academy, Dr. Pangrang Faldesai, gave us more details about the same.
Every year we receive a number of entries from the participants, and as per the rules of the exhibition, the participants, they have to collect back their entries within the stipulated time, and thereafter it is not the responsibility of Kala Academy to maintain those their works. So for last 4-5 years we are trying to, reminding them again and again to take back their entries which were lying with Kala Academy, and Kala Academy cannot use its good space for just dumping these good artworks. So we have requested them repeatedly and to collect those paintings back, the artworks, artifacts, and now we have decided, since they are not taking back, we should exhibit it, and the interested parties, they may purchase. Thus we can dispose of in best possible manner.
Dr. Faldesai, while welcoming connoisseurs to purchase these works of art, said that the Kala Academy reserves the right to sell the same to the highest bidders.
But we are expecting that the connoisseurs of art, they may come and they may also come forward to purchase these artifacts and art paintings, artwork. We have slips, we have prepared slips where you have to, forms you have to fill up. In that you have to mention the name of the person who willing to purchase, then their contact number and approximate cost they are ready to pay. And if the highest bidder will be given the chance to purchase the artwork, if at all it is fitting in Kala Academy's whole Setup means if rules, because what happens, suppose any good work is there and it is the purchaser is asking for a very low cost, Kala Academy might think that it is better to keep with Kala Academy's collection.
And that's all we have for you today. Before we end, here's a reminder of the headlines. Shocking case of infanticide at Marcella. Barge owner's body clarify misconception arising out of PWD report. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and analysis for you. Until then, goodbye and good night.